Today we are here at the Shanghai Delta Health Hospital in Qingpu District, the west of Shanghai. Although local people are familiar with this hospital, it's just undergone major transformation. Benefited from China's expanded opening up policy in healthcare sector, it's now Shanghai's first wholly foreign-owned hospital and China's first foreign-owned cardiovascular specialty hospital.
This gives us increased flexibility in both strategic and operational decision-making and enables us to better align Delta Health with Swire's overall healthcare strategy. We hope to leverage the momentum of this new policy to continue to bring international leading medical technologies to our patients. We believe that the private sector is an important complement to and partner for the public sector, and Swire remains committed to long-term investment in the development of China